The time has come to change the brake pads for the Honda Vision.
With a 12mm key, we're gonna open this first bolts, these two bolts over here, this one and this one. All right. And now we have this 8mm which we need to take out, but first let's push the piston back. Of course you need to open the brake fluid reservoir in order to not to have an overflow of the fluid, and we're gonna push. After we do this, we push the piston back, and before we push it we just have to clean it. As you can see here, we just spray it and clean it a little bit. And the piston looks very clean now. Just check it out, it's shining. And after that, let's push back gently by keeping the old plates in steady, and just push it back slightly over. And now we have to take out the last bolt, the 8mm, with this spanner, nice and gently. Okay, let's clean it because it's not so clean. And now the first plate, it's out. This is how it looks. 99% usage. So we need to take it out. The second one has a different form with this bracket in a certain way. We'll try to give it another clean as good as we can, inside, outside this caliper, to make sure that no residual from the brake pads it's left here. We have to take advantage that we have this possibility, so take your time and clean as good as you can, because the next time you'll do that will be after 13,000 kilometers like I did. So these brake pads lasted me 13,000 kilometers, which in the city traffic conditions I will say it's a pretty decent mileage. My biggest fear was when I bought this EBC brake pads, organic series, which cost me about 8 euros. So 8 euros for these brake pads, comparing with the 60 euros from the original. So my concern was, will they fit? We have to see right now if they will fit, because these are the originals. Take a look at them, Nissin, and check it out. It's just perfectly fitting here, at least one of this. Let's check out the other one. Yeah, perfect fitting, at least from what I can see here. And we also have another set, because I bought two. They were so cheap, 8 euros. So I bought two of these. So here you can see them. This is the new one, the old one, perfectly matching. old, new. So this is also the code. Maybe it will be helpful for some of you. ABC SFA 708 LK, made in UK. And this is how they are looking. Organic plates, organic pads. This is how the original pad is looking after 13,000 kilometers. Not much left, actually. It's 99% used, at least this one. And check out this second one. They are, from what I can see, evenly loosed, so evenly finished. And the new one, I look forward to change them. Here you have the code also on the back. Okay, so the first one goes here on this right part underneath, as you can see here. So the first one with no bracket, with no longer bracket, goes on the upper right side, and then comes the second one, which has this bracket. This long one, so to speak, will be placed here, and basically this is it. You know, just have to manage a way to put them back with the screw underneath. We just have to make a way through again with a 8mm. All right. After that, let's find a way in. Let's find a way in through the brake disc. Perfect so far. I think the bolts are also different, so one is shorter, one is longer. You just need to figure them out. And after that, of course, you need to make pressure again very easily. Don't forget to make this while this gap is open. And seems like we have new brake pads and new stopping power. And now let's see what mileage can we get from this EBC brakes, organic SCO series. This is the code. Maybe it's helpful for some of you. Heavy duty urban formula. Orgánica con Kevlar, organique Kevlar, Kevlar organisch, organico Kevlar. So let's see this EBC brakes, how good they are. The originals lasted me 13,000 kilometers. I don't know if it's okay or if it's not okay. What I can tell you that I've ride only in the city traffic with a pillion, with luggages, with top case, quite aggressively,
during the last 13,000 kilometers, so I will say it was a pretty decent mileage which I could get. So now let's see with this EBC series how long will they last. Job done.